Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to either turn DEP on or off on your Windows device. So DEP is short for Data Execution Prevention, which is a system level memory protection feature that I believe was started back in the Windows XP days. Basically, the functionality of DEP surrounds the system's ability to mark memory as non-executable. And by doing this, it will make it harder to exploit buffer overruns on your computer. So basic fail-safe to help protect your computer and other kinds of exploits. Now, whether they're malicious or not, that's another question. But in this brief tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to enable or disable that with a very simple command. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the Start button. And then you want to left click on where it says Command Prompt Admin from this list. Okay, so if you receive a user account control window asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, you want to select Yes. Now, depending on what we want to do, the commands will be different. Now, assuming that 95% of you want to turn it off, we're going to start with that. So what we're going to do is type in bcd, all lowercase, edit.exe. It should all be one word at this point, so bcdedit.exe space / set, S-E-T. Then you want to do another space. And now you want to do curly brackets, not like squared off ones on the corners. You want to do like curly ones. I'm not exactly sure what the name of it is, but it should be right next to the P key on your keyboard. At least most keyboards to my understanding. So you want to type in current, C-U-R-R-E-N-T. Then you want to do an end curly bracket, so you want to close it off. Then you want to do another space. Type the two letters of N and X, so NX, and then another space. And now you want to type in always off, how it appears on my screen. Always, you want to do it one word. You want to do always off, should be one word. Capitalize the A in always and the O in off. It also helps just to know what you're spelling out, that you're spelling it right. And then once you're done doing that, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. It should say the operation completed successfully. Now, if you're looking to turn on DEP, you're going to type in bcd edit.exe space / set. And then you're going to do another space. Now we're going to do those curly brackets again. So current, another space, NX space always on. Always on should be one word. The A in always should be capitalized, and the O in on should be capitalized. It's basically the exact same command except you're replacing off with on. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to hit enter on your keyboard. It should say the operation completed successfully. At this point, you can close out of the administrative command line window, and I would recommend restarting your computer, and your changes should take effect. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.